Yesterday we talked about the strainer trick, how eating your fiber first stops that 3 p.m. crash. You all loved it, looked like it, but today I want to take you under the hood. Why does the order of your bites actually matter? How does it help you age with power? It's because we aren't just eating the calories. We have to protect our cellular integrity. Let's talk about your batteries. We're eating to protect our cellular integrity. So let's talk about your batteries, your shoelaces, and the zombies hiding in your body. Yes, zombies hiding in your body. First, let's look at your mitochondria. Think of these as millions of tiny batteries inside you. They take your food and turn it into the spark that lets you go on that bike ride, lets you walk, lets you think, and handle all those back-to-back meetings, whether it's at your store, at your office, in the hospital, wherever it is. The problem as we get older, these batteries get leaky. When they leak, they create smoke. And that smoke, doctors call that inflammation. Okay, so it's why you feel tired and achy some days. But we have a fix for that. When you eat high quality protein and keep your blood sugar steady, you aren't just eating, you are repairing those batteries. Remember, I talked about veggies first. You're literally giving your body a recharge by eating like this at the cellular level. These are my lion's mane mushrooms, all air fried, okay? The telomeres. What are telomeres? Now, look at this. Look at this. Telomeres. All right? These are the tips of the shoelace. You see this plastic tip right there? It keeps the lace from fraying, meaning unraveling and just tattering up and such. So your DNA has these as well. They're called telomeres. Now, what is the problem? Every time your cells grow, these tips get a little shorter, right? You know, stress and eating badly, those sugar spikes that you have, they're like scissors. They snip at those tips of those shoelaces, okay? When the tip is gone, guess what? That cell frays, it unravels, it doesn't perform as well and stops working. So this is what we feel as we age, but we're not moving. And so what's the fix? By using that strainer trick that I talked about in my shorts yesterday, my video, you're renewing your mind pillar. You are putting a protective cap on those precious tips. You're literally protecting the length of your life. So zombie cells and muscles, what happens to cells that stop working? Dr. Vonda Wright calls them zombie cells. They don't die. They just sit there causing more zombie cells. They just accumulate and keep accumulating, and they add to those symptoms what we call inflammation, body aches and pains. This is why the movement pillar is so vital. High intensity movement is a trash truck that cleans out all those accumulating zombie cells, also called senescent cells. See, what is the secret for your muscle? Okay, your muscle isn't just for looks, okay? It's an endocrine organ. When you use it, your muscles send longevity signals to your brain and to your heart. It's your internal armor. That is why I started eating intentionally, investing in different types of foods that I've never eaten before, like the lion's mane, the mushrooms. And so I had that tonight, and I have some today with my lunch and with my sweet potato and my chicken. So again, I'm using that fertilizer for my brain cells, to keep them stable, to keep my blood sugar stable, to protect my DNA, my telomeres, and give me strong muscles. So this is how we age with power. Go and get yourself a copy of this book called The Unbreakable by Vonda Wright. Unbreakable. And if you work in the office, you need to get a couple of things, and such as a kettlebell, a dumbbell, so you can do your exercise while you work. You can do your squats, your arms, your upper body press, overhead press. You can get those in while you're sitting at your desk. Okay. All right. And you can also do those squats. Okay. Do your squats. Do your squats. And try to do those every hour. Okay. And then you're going to be fine. You're going to just implement those things. Watch what you eat. Be intentional about what you eat. Make sure you're moving, doing the right exercises. And I have a lot of videos about what kind of exercises to do. And make sure you're eating your protein. And make sure those proteins are lean proteins. Stay tuned for more tips and hacks on how to age with power.